our point though, right?
Right.
No, it hit the black.
It just splints.
Zach hit it.
Wow, that's a big one.
Wait, Dion, you actually need.
Yeah.
Oh.
So what's the score?
It would be
We have 4.
Wow.
Hey, that's important. That's important. I'm trying to win.
I have my favorite hit. I have my favorite hit you landing on there.
So let's just call it an interference call.
Wait, what?
When you hit it, it bounced like this, and I just hit it, and it hit Jake right there.
Wherever it hit there, you hit black. Whoever it is.
Well, it bounced off of your face.
Usually do it.
Point is that
I didn't touch it. That's our point for that?
Yeah, because
We ricocheted off of you and it hits, it's your point?
I'm so confused right
When
now.
you served it, I just swung my hand like this and hit my fingertip, hit there, and then bounced and bounced off.
When did it hit the black thing?
Did it hit black?
Just go.
I don't know. I thought it did.
6-9. I'm so confused.
Yeah, get that out of here, Zach.
I thought you said I was coming over here, bro. I'm just trying to win. Wait, pause.
We good? Alright.
Oh, right.
7, 9.
Here you go. Cotton pick.
Don't miss your serve.
Died on that.
Right on that joint. Died on the
So
red.
hit 7.
Baby.
Oh, man. 11, 7.
Oh, it's nice.
Yes!
Yes!
I was waiting for that. I know. You were cheering. Josh is over here going, yes! Yes! And then they score. No,
11-8.
You're
Oh, it's Kale's? Oh, yeah.
I think it's mine.
11-8.
Oh!
Come on.
right here, son. Oh,
There you go.
it's okay.
Didn't happen.
2-1, I think.
Oh.
2-2.
So it's like if he hit it and then I hit it, do they get a point?
What do you mean?
Like if he hit it and I went to hit it on the thing, to me.
Yeah,
Since
no,
we're
it's
on
there.
opposite
Like,
sides.
don't hit it if it's not like your.
Unless it's
Okay.
hit the net, yeah.
Oh, go. Nice. Oh.
Hit it.
Oh.
Good teamwork.
Oh, no.
You could let that one go.
Oh.
And then, because we
Alright,
hit it.
terrible at serving.
This is so...
Yeah, I know.
The fast.
Close. Close. Good.
hit the black
It
thing.
hit the brim thing.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
We're doing good.
I like
You
how
serve,
we
Maddie.
just jack it as hard as we can.
Teamwork makes the dream work, Jake.
Oh, sorry. I didn't fuck with you.
It's okay. It's alright.
That. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Maddie. Oh.
Oh shit! Oh man! Oh, is that your shirt? Oh.
Hit it. There you go.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
Oh,
I thought that was gonna go on. My bad.
What's the score? A block to a little.
Hit it, Maddie. Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Okay. That was warm up. You just want to say zeros because
Hit
we
it.
were
No,
winning.
she
I
hit it.
touched it.
She totally
I
hit that.